Hi, today we're talking about Pitposse's chain cutter and riveting tool. This is Pitposse's standard duty chain breaker and riveting tool, part number PP309. 2 anvils, a lower guide, a lever, a handle, an upper guide, an alignment bolt, a body, 2 press plates, 3 braking tips, 1 rivet tip, and 1 spring. Everything you need to remove a link from your chain, rivet your chain, or press your master link together. So now let me demonstrate how to remove a link from your chain. So let me show you what you need to remove a link from your chain. You will need the body, the return spring, a breaker pin that is the correct size. The larger one we will use for this 520 chain, the handle, and we'll need the lever. So these are all the components that you will need to properly remove a link from your chain. You'll have the body, the return spring for the breaker pin, the handle, and the lever. So now let's assemble our chain breaker. So we have our chain breaker body, we have our alignment bolt, and we have our push bolt. The chain breaker comes with an upper guide installed. This is for a smaller pin, so for this chain we're going to simply remove it and set it back in the case so we don't lose it. Now we will remove the push bolt from the alignment bolt so we can install the braking tip and return spring. Take your breaker pin, install your return spring, and then feed it down to your alignment bolt, and then reinstall your push bolt. After you've reinstalled your push bolt, take your handle and thread it in to the chain breaker body, just snug, and the lever will go into the push bolt, and now you are ready to get your chain and remove your link. Now that we've ground our rivet head off, we can install our chain breaker onto our chain. Now, you want to line up the bottom hole with the rivet. Tighten it down. And hand force is all that's necessary. Now, you want to double check to make sure that you're lined up really good. Once you've verified that, you can start tightening down your chain breaker. And you should have just a little resistance, and then the breaker tip should start pushing through nice and smooth. And you want to run it all the way through until the pin comes all the way out. There's your pin. Now you can loosen everything up. Remove your chain breaker from your chain. And pull off your extra link. And that's how you remove a link from your chain using the Pitposse chain breaker, part number PP309.